At number 1, I've been saying we need more jazz and electronic music, and this is the perfect blend. Number 2, the vocal chops and the in this track. Number 3, there's just something about the way Seb does things. Drums, vocals, yeah. Number 4, the bounce. Number 5, the lead in this drop. Honorable mentions.
Once I get you next to me.
Don't forget to go follow my Loud playlist on Spotify. It's the only playlist on Spotify that's been updated every Sunday for 9 years.